Okay, friends, we're going to write the standard formation reaction, in this case for CCHL3 is what we're going to do. Okay, this is chloroform. I work a little bit with chloroform. I do most of my stuff with dichloromethane or CH2Cl2. But let's see if we can do this. All right, so we write things in their standard form. So carbon as a solid, that's part of this, plus hydrogen H2 as a gas. Okay, and that is going to L plus chlorine as a gas, and then that is going to yield CHCl3. All right, and that is going to be as a liquid in its standard form. Okay. All right. So step number one is to write that. Step number two is to balance it. And let's see if we can do that. I can see my big problems can be in the chlorines there. So it seems to me that if I put a 2 here, and if I put a 3 here, that should balance the chlorines. Okay, so that means I need to even everything else up. So that's going to be hydrogen's going to be the same, and carbon's going to be a 2. Okay. All right. That's step number two. It's balance. Now, step number three is we need to show that this is only 1 mole, that the heat of formation leads to 1 mole of the chloroform. So in order to do that, I need to divide everything through by 2. Divided by 2, divide by 2, and divide by 2. So what's that going to give us? That's going to give us carbon as a solid plus 1/2 H2 as a gas plus 3/2 Cl2 as a gas, and that's going to yield 1 mole of the chloroform, CHCl3 as a liquid. Okay, this right here, my friends, is going to be the answer to write a balanced chemical equation for the standard formation reaction of liquid chloroform. So step number one, just write down each of the elements in their standard state. Balance it, number two, and then number three, make sure that we are showing the formation of only 1 mole of the CHL3 or whatever your product is. Okay, these are doable, maybe a little tricky sometimes to get the standard states, but with a little practice we can do that. All right, my friends, we can do these. See you later.